Hello guys, in this video, I'll teach you some basic shortcuts of Unity from scratch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. You can press Q to pan, W for move, E for rotate, R for scale, T for rectangle, use Z to switch between pivot and center, and use X to switch between global and local. You can use Ctrl plus Shift plus N for new game object. Alt plus Shift plus N is used to make its child. Alt plus right click is used to zoom in and zoom out. And Alt plus left click is used to revolve around an object. Press F for focus and Ctrl plus F for find anything in hierarchy. You can also control windows with shortcuts. You can use Ctrl plus 1 for scene, Ctrl plus 2 for game, Ctrl plus 3 for inspector, Ctrl plus 4 for hierarchy, and Ctrl plus 5 for project, Ctrl plus 6 for animation window, and Ctrl plus 7 for profiler. Press Ctrl 8 for audio mixer. You can use Ctrl plus 0 for variant control or services window. You can reset all windows. Ctrl plus Z to undo and Ctrl plus Y for redo. Use Ctrl A to select all. Ctrl C is used for copy, Ctrl V is used for paste. Use Shift plus Del to delete an game object. Ctrl plus D is used to duplicate an object. Ctrl plus P is used to play the game, and Ctrl plus Shift plus P is used to pause the game. Ctrl plus Alt plus P is used to go by frame. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates.